Here at the hotel. Yes, the pedicure. Gonna do that. I wanted to sleep late. I woke up early every day. Maybe I'm cursed just to wake up early. Fantastic, subscribe. Big up everybody for following. Yeah. Healthy and fantastic. That's the end of it. Back to work, back to the grind. I'm on my freelance grind. This whole thing happened because I just basically quit my job to go freelance. It's a change. I need a little break. That's it, the staycation. Peace, big up, subscribe everybody. Thanks so much for tuning in. Healthy and fantastic. Follow the Instagram, y'all. Subscribe on YouTube.